In this class we are going to see about auto transformer starter as well as stator side voltage control for three-phase induction motor. First of all, for starter the diagram is very important. Therefore you have to take a paper and draw one by one according to my instruction. First of all, you have to draw a inverted L shape as shown in blackboard. Then you have to make a 6 boxes in the horizontal manner as shown in blackboard as a rectangular box. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you have to number it 1 2 3 4 5 6. Below the rectangular box you have to draw a 45-degree tilted lines as shown in blackboard. Then you have to make a winding. First of all, the odd numbers 1 3 5 like that. Left side you have to draw the make a winding as shown in diagram. Then middle of that winding you have to make a arrow mark and you have to connect it nearer to the even numbers 2 4 6 as shown in blackboard. Then you have to make a three-phase connections. Here 1 3 5 is a input. Therefore first rectangular box is connected to R phase. Then third it is connected to the Y phase. Then fifth one is connected to the R phase. Third one is connected to the Y phase. First one is connected to the B phase, RYB. That's the input. Then first rectangular box top you have to mark another one rectangular box, likewise 2, likewise 3 4 5 6. Make it a short circuit. Actually in original constructions 1 2 3 4 5 6 are in the core only. It will not go up, internally connected, but diagram simplification only we are making in top. Then you have to take a outputs from 2 4 6. It goes to the three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. Therefore you have to make a symbol of squirrel cage rotor. Then in the top side you have to take any two setup, and you have to make a close rectangular box as shown in diagram. Then you have to make a 3 switches opening S1 S2 S3. Then in the nearer vertical line you have to make a under voltage release coil. In the vertical line right side you have to make a under voltage release coil. Then S1 is the starting switch. Starting switch is always open in outward direction. Then you have to make a over voltage coil in the output of auto transformer. These over voltage coils are connected to the rectangular switch that is touched to the outward lines connected by the vertical iron rod. Then stop switch is in the rightmost corner vertical line. You have to place the stop switch inside. This is what the diagram description of auto transformer. Why we need a starter in three-phase induction motor? In three-phase induction motor more than 4 kilowatt we need a starting time voltage reduction. Why? Because means starting time there is no back EMF. Therefore the stator current is increases 25 times of rated. Therefore it produces more heat, I square R heat. Winding will goes to damage. At the same time supply voltage is also reduces. Due to that other equipments also goes to damage. Therefore, during the starting time, voltage must be less. Then, therefore, we need a starter. Listen how it is working. Now you are moving the candle bar upward. At the time, under voltage release coil goes to magnetized and it attract the handlebar. At the same time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 switches are closed. Now depend upon the number of turns 2, 4, 6 the voltage is goes. So minimum voltage is 200 voltage or 300 voltage. According to the motor rating, we will set initial conditions. Therefore, motor runs normally. Suppose the voltage is less than that standard value, under voltage release coil magnetic power is goes to very low. At the time handlebars moves down, 1, 2, 3, 4 switches goes to open, motor is safety. Then if the load during the load test, we all know load increases means current is increases. At the same time, if any short circuit takes place in the winding also, current will be increases. Suppose the current increases means overload release coil magnetic power will goes to increases. At once the S2 switches goes to move downs due to the magnetic power attract the iron rod. Now the under voltage release coil magnetic power is goes to 0. Automatically handlebar moves down. Now the motor is safety. Now the motor is safety. Normally how we have to start with the help of start switch. That's the push button. If this push means winding motor will be run. What about stop button? If you are pushing the stop button, under voltage release coil goes to demagnetized. Automatically handlebar moves downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 switches goes to open. Everything is safety. So by auto transformer we can start the motor, stop the motor, safety to the motor. It is the very useful starter, but it is costlier due to the windings. Let's see the speed control of 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor using auto transformer. Auto transformer is called as stator side speed control. How it is controlling? Let's see. By varying the number of turns, by rotating the handlebar, automatically number of turns increases. Number of turns increases means EMF is increases. EMF is nothing but voltage. Once voltage is increases means speed is also increases. Why? Because means voltage is directly proportional to flux. V is equal to 4.44 F by KT. It is like a transformer formula. So voltage increases means magnetic power is also increases. Once stator magnetic power increases means rotor magnetic power is also increases due to the induction principle. Once the flux increases, speed increases. Therefore, voltage is directly proportional to speed. How much voltage we can vary by auto transformer? Up to the rated voltage. Therefore, up to the rated speed only we can control with the help of auto transformer. As well as torque is directly proportional to the square of voltage. Torque is directly proportional to the square of voltage. Therefore, voltage increases means torque is also increases double, as well as speed is also increases. So that's why we are seeing the graph V1, V2, V3. V1 is the greatest voltage, therefore it producing maximum torque. V2 is medium, V3 is low. Likewise, the speed is also changed. V1 increases means voltage is, suppose voltage is 400 means speed is around 1400 rpm. Suppose the voltage is 300 means the speed is around 1000. Suppose the voltage is 200 voltage means speed is around 750. Therefore, voltage increases means speed increases. Voltage increases means torque is double. Torque is directly proportional to V square. If you understand the concept, please give a like and subscribe and share the link to your friends. Thank you.